Every Saturday, I go shopping with my mother. We usually go to the market or the supermarket near our house. I like shopping because I can see many things and help my mother. We leave the house at 9 o'clock in the morning. First, we make a shopping list. My mother writes down what we need: vegetables, fruit, bread, milk, eggs, rice, and sometimes some snacks. I help her check the kitchen before we leave to see what we need to buy. When we arrive at the supermarket, we take a shopping cart and start walking through the aisles. There are many sections in the supermarket. The first section is usually the fruit and vegetable section. We buy red apples, bananas, oranges, tomatoes, onions, potatoes, and lettuce. My mother likes to choose fresh food. I help her put the fruits and vegetables into small bags. Next, we go to the dairy section. We buy milk, cheese, butter, and yogurt. My little brother loves chocolate milk, so we always buy a small box for him. Then, we go to the bakery and buy bread, cake, or croissants. The bread smells fresh and warm. Sometimes, we buy a small cake as a treat. After that, we walk to the meat and fish section. My mother buys some chicken and beef for lunch or dinner. We don't buy fish every week, but when we do, we choose fresh fish with clean eyes and shiny skin. The man at the counter is always friendly and helps us. We also buy some rice, pasta, sugar, and cooking oil from the shelves. Sometimes we need salt, flour, or tea. We also buy some things for school, like notebooks, pens, and glue. There is a small area in the supermarket for school supplies. Before we leave, I like to go to the snacks section. I sometimes choose a small bag of chips or a chocolate bar. My mother lets me choose only one snack. I look carefully and pick my favorite. When we finish shopping, we go to the cashier. We put all the items on the counter. The cashier scans them, and my mother pays. I help her put everything in bags. Then, we take our bags and go home. At home, we put all the groceries in the kitchen. Shopping is not just about buying things. It is also about learning. I learn new words, how to count money, and how to help others. I also learn to choose good food and be polite to people in the store. I like going shopping with my mother. It is a good way to spend time together, help my family, and have fun.